Ready to get lost again.
So guys, we are heading to Los Hervideros. Los Hervideros is a volcanic rock. It's really beautiful. We just arrived at Los Hervideros. Wow guys, this is beautiful. A volcanic cave created by the lava. Mother Nature is amazing. So in front of us there is America, if we swim a little bit. Over there is North America, I think Florida.
Oh yeah, Miami.
Cuba, Brazil. Yeah, easy, no? Hey Juliet, are you waiting for your Romeo?
Yes. Hey, in America.
Ah, okay.
He's in America.
Okay, let's wait then. So let's go to the next destination. Okay, so next stop will be El Golfo.
You lift my heart up when the rest of me is down.
El Golfo is an amazing village. It's so beautiful. There is a unique lake with a particular color. Then now we will show you.
I will try to knock them down. I'm latching on, babe. Now I know what I have found.
And we arrived at El Golfo. Let's go! Wow guys, this place is so beautiful. Imagine that everything was created by this big eruption 3 centuries ago, and it's so picturesque. It's amazing. It seems painted by a universal artist. So after our tours, we are a bit hungry and we stopped in a nice restaurant with an amazing view.
I feel we're close enough. I wanna lock in your love. I think we're close enough.
We're full. Yeah, we're full. It was amazing.
Oh, baby, I feel we're close enough.
We are leaving El Golfo after our pit stop for lunch.
Could I lock
now we are heading to Salinas de Januyo.
In my space, I won't let go again. Got you shackled in.
It's home of different species of animals and plants, and it was built 2 centuries ago and it's still working. It's amazing. This is Las Salinas de Januyo. Okay guys, so that was our last stop for today after Los Hervideros and El Golfo. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like it, subscribe to my channel and thumbs up. And yeah, let's see you in the next video. Bye bye! It's a natural... No! Oh, Juliet, don't be sad for your Romeo. He will come.